Right, hello again. We're gonna do a river walk. It's not very bright today. It's been raining. Typical UK weather. Sunny 1 minute, rain next, storms. All this is Battersea Power Station, and this is called the River Walk. So we're going to try and walk along the river in the park. It's a park as well, Battersea Park. This is River Thames. This river runs through London. Very famous river.
I'm like, okay, since you are in a risky period of your life.
Last time we went up into the park. This time I'm gonna go this way, along the river. Nice. As you can see, it's a lovely park. Nice and green. Yeah, still a lot of people out and about. A couple of crows looking for food. Right.
Where is Isla going? She going to London?
Battersea really is famous for the Battersea Power Station. We used to power London, supply electricity, and then the Battersea Dogs Home. All the strays, lost dogs are brought to this dog home, and when people needed a pet, they come down there and they can get one for really cheap. And there's a lot of choice. There's a lot of nice dogs and cats as well. I'm not going to make these videos too long, so maybe about 5-6 minutes each. I don't think you get bored watching them because everything is so lovely and green. And people can drive inside the park. It's a very big park. Yeah. This video, I'm going to start at 6 minutes, and then I'll start the next one.